Good morning, everyone. I am Sriman from BCAPQ third year batch 2. First of all, thank you to Neeraj sir to give me this opportunity to present my presentation on React. This is I created a simple website by using React and CSS. I using CSS for this component by using in login.css. In I render the login.css in app.jsx. And simple I run this program by using npm run dev. And this is my login page, and thank you from my side.